Alright, so dinedicate ko yung song na to para kay Bibi. Ayan, para to sa mga kaibigan natin na sobrang miss na nila yung mga father nila. Para sa mga kaibigan natin na maagang naulila sa kanilang ama. This song is for you. Back when I was a child, before I removed all the innocence, my father left behind and danced with my mother and me, and then spin me around down asleep. Then out the stairs he would get me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'll play a song that would never ever end. How I love to dance with my father again. When my mother would disagree, to get my way, I would run to him. He made the love just to comfort me. Then father made to just walk into my mama's said. Later that night when I was asleep, he left a dollar under my sheet. Never dreamed that we would be gone for me. I could steal one final glance, one final step, one final dance with him. I play a song that would never end, 'cause I know dance with my father again. Thank you. Para yun sa inyo. Para yun kay Bibi.